Their story is our story. It's a story repeated 1,000 times a day in nearly every country on Earth. At companies with household names and companies with family names. These are the real-time heroes who aren't defined so much by what they do, but where they get it done. They perform here, on the front line, where every movement is decisive and each decision impacts overall success. Out here, your people need more than just data at their fingertips. They need certainty and guidance to ensure that the next move is the best move. And thanks to technology from Zebra, they have confidence to go head-to-head with the competition, face-to-face with the customer, heart-to-heart with the patient. Yes, they may feel the pressure, but they never feel alone, because they're always connected to their team, powered by ours, and guided by 1 million points of data, illuminating the most efficient path to the next sale, the next innovation, the next healthy patient outcome. Their story is our story, and it plays out every day on the front line, where success requires more than just desire. It demands a performance edge. And Zebra empowers you to reach out and capture it.